What up, y'all? It's your girl Taliah Jenee, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today we are decluttering and organizing and labeling the medicine cabinet. But first, we have to clean the kitchen really fast. I'm one of those people. I cannot organize and declutter and do all the things in mess. Like, I just can't. So we're going to go ahead and knock out this kitchen. And if you like this type of content, make sure you continue watching.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. It's like you could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time.
All right, so I have the dishwasher running if you hear a loud noise, but these are the containers that I'm using. They are from Amazon. I will link them down below. So these two are bigger and the ones on the ends are smaller, and they're stackable, which is what I love. Let's see if I can get that on there. I just love that. And right now I just have sticky notes on here for the label because I didn't want to put anything permanent on the containers and I end up swapping them out, or I need first aid to be in a bigger one, or whatever the case may be. And I'm thinking I might need to order 2 more of the smaller ones. Well, they come in a set, but we will see. And then over here are all the medicines. There we go. Like, I feel like all this is just super old and expired, but we're gonna go through it, organize it, declutter, and let's get to it.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
Oh, oh, oh.
Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide.
Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide.
Two different minds telling lies.
That's how we stay alive.
That's how we stay alive.
Where have you been? It's like I waited all my life, so happy that I found you. I'm paper thin. I haven't always been this shy, but haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too, so I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you. See the sun in the shadow all my life, but I finally see the light. I give myself to you. I want to get this right. Haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with
So we are done decluttering the medicines and they are in the drawers. And the reason why I put the Band-Aids in the pain medicine drawer is because I am a shorty. I'm only 5 foot even, and our medicine cabinet is like above our microwave, so it's high. So I put it in the bottom drawer just so I can reach it. But yeah, here we are. We have it all done. So we have to make some labels.
haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too, so I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you. Why is it so hard to be? Why is it so hard to be honest? To be honest. Why is it so hard to be? Why is it so hard to be honest? To be honest. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too, so I just need to tell you.
All right, y'all. So we are done. It just looks super good. Neat, clean, organized, labeled. I'm just so glad I was able to get this project done. So once again, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.